Finally, let's get your awesome Unity creation shared with the world, while keeping things clean and manageable. First, open your Unity project and navigate to the project folder in your File Explorer. This is where the magic begins to separate your coding from your compiled files. Let's create a gitignore file. This special file tells Git, our version control system, what to ignore. Think of it as a bouncer for your project, keeping out the unnecessary baggage. Inside the gitignore file, type in specific folders and file types you want to exclude. Typical culprits for exclusion include your library folder, which contains cache data, and the temp folder. You'll want to also exclude any files with binary extensions, such as meta, asset, and apk. Save the gitignore file in the root of your Unity project folder. Now, it's time to initialize your Git repository. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project's file path. Type that command initializing Git. You'll then need to add all the project files to the staging area, which is done with another Git command, using a wildcard to add all files. After that, commit your changes, describing what you have changed in detail. Now, head to GitHub and create a new repository to post your project. To give the repository name, and remember to make it public if you want to share your game. Finally, link your local Git repository to the remote GitHub repository using the git push command. Congratulations, your project is now available on GitHub. This ensures your project is preserved and available online.